In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a slide border to all pages in a Google Slides document. Let's dive right in and make your presentation stand out with this simple yet effective technique. The first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser and head over to Google Slides. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll need to do so using your Google credentials. Once you're signed in, navigate to the Google Slides homepage. Here you have the option to either start with a blank presentation or select from one of the many templates available. You can choose whatever suits your needs, but for demonstration purposes, let's go with a blank presentation. Once your presentation is open, direct your attention to the upper menu bar and click on Slide. A drop-down list of options will appear. From these, select Edit Theme. This action will take you to the theme editor, allowing you to make changes that will reflect across all the slides in your presentation, perfect for adding a uniform border to every page. In the theme editor, look for the option labeled Shapes and click on it. Shapes are an excellent way to add borders because they can be resized and adjusted to fit the slide precisely. You will see a variety of shape options, but for our border we'll be using the rectangle shape. Click on Rectangle to select it. After selecting the rectangle, you can click and drag this shape around the perimeter of the slide. Make sure to align it to the edges for an even border. If it's not perfect right away, don't worry. Google Slides allows you to adjust the placement by dragging the edges or corners of the shape. Now that your rectangle is in place, you can fine-tune the stroke and fill. For a clean and simple look, I recommend setting the fill to transparent. To do this, click on the fill color icon and select transparent from the options that appear. This will ensure your rectangle acts as a border rather than a filled shape blocking out slide elements. Next, adjust the border weight and color to your preference. You can do this by clicking on the border color and line weight icons in the toolbar, selecting colors, and the thickness that complements your presentation style. And just like that, you've added a border to every slide in your presentation. Thanks to the theme editor, this border will now automatically appear on any new slides you create from here on out. You're one step closer to having a super polished presentation. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to leave a like and subscribe for more great tips on using Google Slides. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.